Sage here. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Welcome to EtherealHeal. I'm so glad you're here. This is my virtual playground where we woosah, we marinate, and we check our energetic vibe. And today I wanted to share an observation that I made about myself. And that is, I noticed over the last month I've been getting kind of bloated. I couldn't figure out what was going on, and I pinpointed it down, and I won't go into the back history of it, but I pinpointed it down to maybe it's the ice horchata I've been religiously drinking for the last 5 or 6 weeks. Now, ice horchata, it has sugar, but not a lot. It's low calorie. Well, I shouldn't say not a lot. Everything's based on perspective. But for what I normally intake, a lot, calories were low. I get the oat milk. I couldn't figure out what was going on. I looked up the ingredients of horchata. It's a rice-based product. Now, what does that mean? Several years ago, I myself have decided to cut out pasta, rice, and bread because below the neck it becomes sugar. I was watching my sugar intake. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I will have some cake, I will have some bread, I don't restrict myself because how you eat is a lifestyle. I don't believe in dieting, especially with all the shenanigans out here. Is it clickbait? Is it real? Do you lose weight? Do you try this? Does that work? It's too much. So I had to do what's best for me. So when I looked up that the base was rice, I Googled how could I DIY my own ice horchata and not have that with the rice base. Pardon me, there was actually a YouTube video on it. But I took that video because the ingredients that the lady used were still things that I don't use. When I use creamer, I use nut-based creamer, which I've heard that's not good for you either. I don't know what to do. I just monitor how I feel in my body. Anyway, long story short, I made a quick video on how I make my own ice horchata. There's no ice in it because I drink everything room temperature. I know people go, ew, that's gross, but I also learned along the way that cold drinks, ice drinks aren't good for the body. And even though I order light ice at Starbucks, it's still a cold drink. So now I've made my own horchata. I'm using my products. I'm able to control the amount of sugar, the temperature, and the dollar bill, honey. Remember 2 things, perspective is everything, and the frequency that you vibe at is what you'll attract. Peace.